Hello. We just passed Smoke Golden Bridge. Don't stop there. We think we're at the next station now. I remember this. I've seen this on a show. Here it is. I just seen a sign for it. Here's Merrick Rose Street. Yeah. London Eastern Railway. That one is. We are now in Birmingham Street. Just waiting. This door just shut on me. Do it again. Getting off Anti-West Close. Platform 1. Platform 1. Here we are. Two people, yes. Go on. Come on. Okay, you wait. Go. Oh, okay. Oh, I remember that. The tram, from the tram land is the tram, tram, tram. You just went. Why is there even traffic lights here? It's on trams. No? Oh? What? Someone's having a party. Here's our try to have a whiff. Look to all these, go to Wales. There's only 2 coaches. Most people's at this train station. This train's only 2 coaches, look. It's everybody here. Just crazy. Hello, you're probably thinking why that train was that bad. Well, there was this train to Wolverhampton that was delayed by 20 minutes. And that was exactly 20 minutes when that train got here, and it only had 2 coaches. Wolverhampton one usually have 4 coaches, so that's why.